Homa Bay.
Jep makare madonjore keche mag pur nyakoro mga juang paro ni kupo intiere gi dware nyalo manyo jaduong' aguko nyalo konyi yo makare. Kapod wang'yo mago mag pur, migawo mar pur e kaonti ma Siaya oriwore kod riwruok moro motisi ni Agriculture Sector Development e pidho yiende ahinya to koth maembe kod avocado kaka achiel kuom yore mag bugo chenro ma piny owacho nitiere godo mano mar pidho yiende e thurka. Apisa maduong' mar chenro ne Elizabeth Odongo mane lose kanisa mar SDA kaonti no koni kopogre gi yiende mamoko ma ipidho. Jopiny bende winjo koro rang pidho yiende manyago olembe. E kanisa no kodhi mohewo 500 osepidhi kendo gichano wuotho e kaonti no mangima.
And everything, and God said it was good. To say that you are a leader, no. You, that is...
Amen.
But the reason we are doing this is that we can work with the people of Siaya to ensure that now we are talking about a real transformative agriculture. When people don't have food, number one, there are so many things that will happen. One, you will not, you will be spending more maybe because you're buying outside. You will also have other effects because you can't access food at affordable rates. You will also be not able to get income. And the kind of agriculture where we are going, we are moving from is not that you just plant, but you are able to add value. So we are doing that by ensuring, because the cost sometimes of planting and doing things can be very expensive. So we are saying that we are here. Please talk to us. We will continue supporting your agriculture and don't give up. We want to move from that agriculture of just thrown seeds and learn pata moja mbili, but to make sure that we support you to make sure that it is productive. So we are really trying to look at ways and supporting you, and not just after you've left it. We also will walk through with you in what we are calling a full value chain.